I will talk about how can you enable ovulation reminders on your Clover app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to next here, click here on ovulation here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, so then all you have to do, so you just come here to ovulation and click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as me ovulation reminders enable with us now. And here you add how many days before and reminder chime, and here reminder text, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.